In this video I'm gonna show you how to add logo in Lightroom Mobile. Tap on the share symbol. Then swipe up and tap on export. Tap on watermark. Then tap on the customize. Tap on the box, then select your logo, and you can also add any photo. But I'm adding logo. Choose the size of the logo. You can move logo in horizontal direction with horizontal offset tool. If you are decrease horizontal offset, logo will move left side. Or increase, logo will move right side. And next, vertical offset tool. You can move vertical in up and down. You can place logo where you want with this tools only. Better keep logo at edge of the photo. If logo color is white, then do not keep at lighting places. You can also rotate logo. Keep the opacity how much you want, better keep 100%. If you could not understand placing your logo, then there are 9 points. By tapping any of one point you can place your logo in place of point. You can keep logo where you want in this 9 points and also with this 2 settings. Either you can text in place of logo. Text your name in the box. Then all settings are same. You can use drop shadow text. Tap on T, then select the font for text. Next tap on V2 on the stroke for text. Then tap on the small line for font style. Select white or black color for text. And you can only select logo or text. After finish, tap on the arrow beside customize watermark and save it. Then you could not see watermark in Lightroom on photo. After exporting, you can see watermark on your photo in photo gallery in mobile.